What if every time you bought coffee, gas, or groceries, you earned crypto instead of those boring cashback points? That is what the Gemini Credit Card promises. You could be earning real Bitcoin, real Ethereum straight to your account, or the other 50 options they have available. But is it legit? Is it worth it? And how much crypto can you really earn? Hello everybody, welcome to another video where I'll be giving you a real no BS review on the Gemini Credit Card. I have used it, I have earned crypto with it, and I'm going to walk you through the rewards, the pros and cons, and whether it is actually a smart tool or just another fintech gimmick. So make sure you stick all the way through because I will show you how you can maximize your rewards. Avoid the most common mistakes and get the most bang for your Bitcoin. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. So what is the Gemini Credit Card? The Gemini Credit Card is a crypto rewards card from Gemini, one of the largest crypto exchanges in the United States. And here's how it works. No annual fee. You don't have to pay a yearly fee, a yearly subscription, whatever you want to call it, with this credit card. It is absolutely free. Second, you'll be able to get anywhere between 1 to 4% back in crypto on your purchases. Third, your rewards are paid in real time. No waiting for your bank statement to settle. You literally make the purchase, the crypto will be in your account. And finally, choose your crypto. You can get Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, AVAX, Dogecoin. They have a ton of options to choose from. So whatever token you believe in and you want to accumulate, you'll be able to do so. So you will not be accumulating points that you can redeem for crypto or gift cards. You are getting actual crypto deposited into your account. And now let's talk about the benefits of owning the Gemini Credit Card. Benefit number one, real-time crypto rewards. You literally watch your rewards show up within seconds of spending. Benefit two, customizable coins. You're not stuck with just Bitcoin. You can switch coins at any time, even mid-month. So if you want to accumulate Bitcoin today, you can. If you want to accumulate Dogecoin tomorrow, you can. The choice is yours. Benefit number three, security and support. Gemini is fully regulated and it is secure. Card is issued by Web Bank, powered by MasterCard. No annual fee, instant card access in Apple Pay or Google Pay. Benefit number four, spend categories. You are going to get a whopping 4% back on gas, EV charging, transit, taxis, and rideshare. Second, you are going to get 3% back on dining. So if you like to eat out a lot or you love fast food, you are going to accumulate a lot of crypto. Third, you are going to get 2% back on groceries. So every time you are filling that fridge up, you'll be filling your account with crypto. And then finally, you get 1% back on everything else. And now let's talk about the downside. Con number one, volatility. Your rewards are in crypto, which means the value can go up or down. So for example, if every time you make a purchase, you get Bitcoin and you start accumulating, the upside is Bitcoin can go much higher and your rewards are going to double or triple. The downside is Bitcoin can go down and then the rewards you have accumulated will be worth less. So you have to choose when to get in, when to hold, when to buy, when to sell your crypto. So if you want to start accumulating crypto every time you make a purchase, in my opinion, this is one of the best cards out there. Also, did I mention the $200 welcome bonus? If you spend a total of $3,000 in your first 90 days of owning this credit card, you are going to get an extra $200 bonus in Bitcoin. So when we break it down, 90 days is 3 months. So you have to spend at least $1,000 a month in order to get the $200 Bitcoin bonus. With this economy right now, I'm spending at least $1,000 a month on groceries alone. So personally, with this card, my goal is to accumulate as much Bitcoin as possible. I want to accumulate an entire Bitcoin. That is why I got this card, so it can help me along the way. Every time I shop, I want to be accumulating Bitcoin. It adds up quickly. And here in a second, I will show you how much Bitcoin I have accumulated so far. But there are a ton of other strategies that you can use with this credit card. So for example, if you are a big fan of Solana, you can literally accumulate Solana, stake it to earn even more. So your rewards are literally compounding on top of each other, earning you even more crypto crypto and even more money in the long term. So it all depends on the strategy that you want to implement. One other thing that I love about it is simple. Simply set it and forget it. Once you activate this card, use it like any other and you'll be accumulating crypto rewards along the way. Also, if you want to get an extra $50 of Bitcoin with this credit card, make sure to use the link in the description box below. If you use that link, you're going to get an extra $50 on that $200 bonus. So that comes out to be a $250 bonus. The only way to get the bonus is by using a referral a friend link like the one I have below. So you'll be getting an extra $50 and helping out the channel at the same time, which I really appreciate. Now we are inside of the credit card account and I'm about to show you exactly how much free crypto I have earned so far. When I applied for the credit card, they gave me a $15,000 credit limit. But when we scroll down, you will see my credit card activity. And as you can see, I have been only using it for 2 days, testing it out to see how much percentages each store is giving me. So today I spent $21.06 in Walmart and that earned me back 2% in Bitcoin. So when we press rewards, you will see that came out to 43 cents worth of BTC. Not bad at all. Also, the total reward so far is $1.39, which is not bad for only using the card for 2 days. So when we scroll back up, I want to show you another awesome feature is the portfolio. This will show you the total amount of Bitcoin that you have received and how much it has grown since you received it. I cannot wait to see this in the next 30 days, the next 60 days, the next year. This thing is going to be amazing. It is like having your own investment account inside of an investment account. So definitely love this feature on this. One final thing that I want to show you is the extra benefits you get with this card. So for example, 10% back on golf courses all summer long. And then right underneath it, you will have the benefits and offers pages. So you can get 10% off of the Ridge wallet, 10% off of gummies, protein, and if you press view more, you'll be able to see even more benefits. For example, on Peacock, on Lyft, on booking.com, and a couple of other ones. They are going to add more merchant offers, so keep a lookout for these categories where you can earn even more crypto. So who is this credit card for? Crypto believers who want to stack without stress. People who spend regularly on dining and groceries. This credit card does have a good percentage when it comes to dining, so you'll be able to accumulate a decent amount of crypto. Also, anyone already using the Gemini platform. So if you're already using the Gemini exchange, this will be a great addition to compound your crypto earnings. And this is who the credit card is not for. Regular people who are too afraid of investing in crypto and they do not want to have any exposure to Bitcoin or any other token. And this is how you maximize your rewards. First, use the link below and get the $50 bonus on top of your other bonus. Second, focus on those high categories such as gas and dining. That is where you get 3 to 4% back in crypto. But be smart. Do not just spend the money on things that you do not need simply because you want to earn crypto. Use this credit card like you use any other. Do not spend extra simply because it will get you some Bitcoin. Also, choose a crypto that you believe in, something that you think will go up big time in the future. This is your opportunity to accumulate before it skyrockets. The Gemini credit card is not for everyone, but for my particular situation, I absolutely love this credit card. I'm able to earn Bitcoin passively by doing things that I already do. So if you are already buying crypto, why not earn even more by spending on stuff that you buy anyway? That is all I have for this video. If you have this credit card, let me know in the comment section below how much free crypto you have earned so far and what coin are you accumulating. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I will be doing a 30-day update, a 90-day update, and a 1-year update showing you exactly how much crypto I have earned with this Gemini credit card. And if you want one, link will be in the description. Smash the like button. See you in the next video. Peace out.